Hi guys, if you want to know how to create tables in Google Docs, you are in the right place. I'm gonna show you very detailed how to create and edit tables in Google Docs. Let's go. First, open Google Chrome and sign in into your Google account. After that, open Google Docs from the Google Apps menu. Click here in the right top corner, scroll down and click on Docs. You can either choose any template from here, but to show you everything, I'm gonna choose blank document. Once you're here inside this blank document, click on the insert menu, then hover over the table, and here inside this building blocks feature, select the numbers of rows and columns for your table. You can see now the table you have created. The first thing we are going to do is to add a text. To add a text, just click inside one cell and start typing. You can select and highlight the text you want to format and align as you want. You can make it bold or change the size, and here you can also change the alignment. Now I'm gonna show you how to add or delete rows and columns. If you hover over the cell right here, you can see this plus icon. Click it to insert one row below. If you right click, you have many options to insert or delete rows above and below, and also of course columns left and right. Just to show you, I click on insert row above. If we click on any cell, for example here on top, right click, we can add a row with the title. Click inside and give it a title. Then I'm gonna show you how to merge cells. Select all the cells you want to merge, then right click and click on merge cells. Now I'm gonna show you how to resize rows and columns. To do it, hover over the cells, hold the line and drag to adjust the column and row size. By right clicking and selecting distribute rows or distribute column, you can make them evenly so they are all the same size. As the next step, I show you the table options for more customizations. Let's type in Peter inside this cell here and then click on table options. Here under the cell you can change the vertical alignment, you can change the color of the table border and also the size of the border. You can even change the background color. That's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.